Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is, what fucking day is it? It's Monday, the 16th of May of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. I hope we're gonna stream today. I just got a splitting headache, so we're gonna hope the whatever the fuck medicine I took kicks in and power through it, but my head hurts right now, so yeah, anyway. Yeah, so the plan for today is to do two things. The one is to look at auto update day, and then the other is to make sure that all of my linters and code formatters work with the Python 3.11 beta. I don't expect any problems, although PyFlakes might grumble in test mode because there's new AST. Although I think the expressions are already there, so maybe it won't be a problem. I don't know. We'll find out. That's the plan for today. But we're probably gonna run out of time anyway. Two things, that's too much stuff? Yeah. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Yeah, and if we get through all that, which I don't think we will continue working on my chat overlay stuff. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Before we do that, we've got two notifications to replay. We've got On Nightly, who has resubbed at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. And I Satisfied has resubbed at 22 months. Holy shit, dude. Oh, it's been a hot minute, hasn't it? feels like just yesterday you joined the stream, I Satisfied. But goddamn, thank you for your continued support. Good to see you. Let's see. DDelsp and Beldathas were here before the stream started. I believe JJMC was first, although I didn't refresh my overlay, so I think it showed DDelsp as first, but either way. On Nightly, good to see you again. Marsha's here. Marsha. Stonkfish, hello. It's Wood Legs. Welcome to the stream. Static Public Void Main, welcome back. Anthony, yes, indeed. Call Me Perk, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hello. How's Monday been? Monday's been alright. Let's see. What updates do I have? Since last time we streamed, I planted 26 trees. My dad has a rather large plot of land and likes trees, so he usually orders a bunch of them and plants a bunch of them. And he wasn't sure if he was going to be able to get them all done, so I went up and planted with him. Let's see, we did 5 wisteria, did like 8 or 9 walnut, chestnut, and pear, and there's one other type in there. I don't know, they're all nut and or flowering and or fruit trees, because those are the ones my dad likes. But did that on Saturday and Sunday. Also visited a house on Saturday and visited a house on Sunday. Might be putting an offer in on a house tomorrow. we'll see what happens with that. But I really like the one that I viewed on Sunday. There's a lot of space. It's in a nice neighborhood. Has a large garage. Has a really nice kitchen. Nice open living space. 2 possible rooms that could be the stream. Well, more like 5 rooms that could be the stream room, but 2 that would make sense. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm not counting the chickens yet. They have not hatched. Can you move to Europe, please? Because your streams are at midnight. So yeah, the during the week ones are at midnight. Yeah, Saturday ones are European friendly, and we will be doing at some point. I will be streaming work stuff, and those will happen during the day. So that'll be better time for Europe. Bungai should have had nap time today. I don't think nap would have helped. Drunk Time Lord, hello, hello. Last exam in 5 hours. Nice. Good luck, good luck. Not that you need luck, you need skill. Color Marku, hello, hello. Music Gusto says nice Hagathon shirt. How did you know? Oh, I guess because I did a video on it. Yeah, I didn't really. I was going to work out today. That's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing workout clothes. But yes, this is a Hagathon shirt. Yeah, I didn't end up working out today. I went to I had a doctor's appointment this morning. I'm not gonna grumble about healthcare. Healthcare is fucking bullshit in the US, and I'm just mad about it today. I'm not gonna rage more about that, but there's some goddamn bullshit. As Didolf says, I also get headaches when thinking about prior authorization. Yeah, that's bullshit. Pari, hello, hello. Wholesome Dot, how's it going? It's what like says, do you always stream after work? No, on Saturdays I stream in the middle of the day. And soon I will be streaming at work because work has said that's okay. Sorry, my realtor is messaging me important questions. Kingslayer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That was the first logged bot message. No, you weren't. You were the first in the overlay. Binary Stream, hello, hello. Python 311, cool aerial location info. Yeah, that's one of the many things that landed in that. My Sotro, hello, hello, welcome back. What kind of trees? I answered that one already. How about Anthong has some big plot? Yeah. No binary trees? There were some that had 2 stalks. Those are the ones that are less likely to live. Yeah. Tofufu, hello, hello, welcome back. Summersoft, good to see you again. Dunkfish says, uh-oh, only 1 beer left. I know that feel. Oh, you have the same one, Music Gusto? Wait. That means I know you, but I don't know who you are. Or potentially I know you. But that's cool. Or you got it after the fact. But yeah, this is a Yelp Hackathon shirt. Verax, hello, hello. How are you doing today? I'm doing alright, although I have a headache, which I'm hoping goes away. We'll see. The G that gives says, why did you decide to dedicate so much time to Python infra over other languages? Mostly it was what I was doing at work, and it's convenient to make a bunch of tools with it. That's basically it. You know, you tend to work on stuff that you need and use. So, Reham just says, move to Europe, good healthcare. Yeah, that is true. I did have to use European healthcare once. I was in France. I don't know if you can see it anymore. It'll get it to the focus. Oh, yeah. See how there's a big scar, right there. I was biking in France, and we were almost done with our 100-kilometer ride, and we were turning up a street that was like up a hill, and then there was the sidewalk was cut off because there was some construction. And so I was like, oh, we'll just go onto this street because, you know, biking on the street's kind of reasonable in Paris. And there was a bike lane. So I went to cut over to go into the street, and there was a tree planter right by the place where it was blocked off. And I misjudged my turn, and instead of going around the tree planter, my tire caught on the corner of the tree planter, and I started to tip. And instinctively, I reached out my hand to grab the fence that was in front of me to brace my fall. But the fence was corrugated steel and went schlice, and I started bleeding everywhere. But then I went to the hospital and hospital, and they kept trying to give me every excuse possible to like give me x-rays and stitches for free. They tried so hard. They're like, do you have any relatives here? Do you have any friends of friends? Do you know anybody? Can you name any people that are French? And I was like, sorry, I don't have anybody. I got nobody here. And then they're like, okay, well, then we'll have to charge you full price. And I was like, oh, here we go. Oh no. But it was like 95 euro to get an x-ray, and I think I got one, two, I still see them. I got 4 stitches. So 4 stitches and an x-ray for like $100. It's just like such a good deal. In the US it would have been like some thousands of dollars. Just visiting the hospital at all, going into the ER at all would have been like $1,000 with no insurance. Well, yeah, it was fucking cheap. And it would have been absolutely zero if I knew anybody. But yeah, Europe healthcare is way better. Streaming at work, yeah, we will potentially be doing some work stuff, which will be cool. How did the house hunt go? Went well. I'm putting in an offer on one of the houses, so we'll see how that goes. You try Google Code Jam round 2. I did Google Code Jam once. I'm not really interested in it. Also, I won't wake up at 12 to watch your stream. Yeah. Do your bot and stream overlay not start at the same time? Yeah, I haven't moved over to the new overlay, so yeah. Yeah. Drink lots of water or eat something. Yeah, I've been doing that. I also did not get much sleep last night. I've been having a bunch of days in a row where I just haven't gotten good sleep, but oh, that's a good excuse, but we all know it was a freak typing accident, right? Lady Kami-sama, hello, welcome back. But yeah, can you name any French people? Yeah, but yeah, it was pretty nuts. And then the doctor was like, you'll want to take these stitches out in 2 weeks. You can either go to your actual doctor, or you can just pull them out yourself. I was like, fuck it, why not? I snipped them, sterilized them, and pulled them out in the bathroom at Lyft. But L'Hôpital's rule should be free. Yeah, exactly. You would have paid $400 for a single gauze pad. Yeah. Got your second COVID booster yesterday. Nice. Calming Perk says, I'm in the process of buying a house. Best of luck. Oh, it's a lot of work. Oh no, where's your mop emotes, Marsha? Rip. Did you watch a video on how to take out stitches? No. Why would you need a YouTube video? It's literally just like isopropyl or ethyl, whichever alcohol you have available. Not spirits. Don't do it spirits. That's how you get infected. Douse it. Douse your instruments. So I had scissors and tweezers. Douse both of those in alcohol, and then cut the stitches, and then pull them through. Super easy. You don't need to watch a YouTube video for that. It's just common sense. Anyway, so I'm gonna check on auto update day. I only got 1 PR today, probably because nothing really updated of mine. So, but I don't know. I don't know if it's finished or not. So we'll see. Oh, it's not done yet. Okay, so there's potential. Huh. This being very flat for a long time has me concerned. That's weird. We never see that. I wonder if that means there's errors. Hmm. Let's see. On update dead letter 0. Weird. Yeah. Very weird. Maybe Lambda had a... I mean, it did slowly go down in here. But it was like a 15-minute period where it only processed like 10 messages. Feels like timeout retry or something. I don't know. Oh well. We'll look at this when it's more done. Do we have any open source pull requests since last time? I don't think we do. Did you know you cut this stitch suture? It's the string that leads the entire unraveling of the universe. Yeah. Yeah. You actually just went to medical school by accident? I almost went to medical school on purpose. I actually did more biochem in school than I did computer science. But I literally used none of it. So you just pull it out pretty much. You're supposed to use all those YouTube pennies to give me another mob stuff. My YouTube pennies have been super down this month. Actually, all my numbers have been down this month. Yeah. Kind of sad, but whatever. They don't really matter. But yeah, my YouTube numbers are down. My Twitch numbers are down. My Twitter numbers are down. Not that I give zero shits about Twitter. I don't monetize that. But John MV1, hello, welcome back. Now put that clip on YouTube, make bank off of telling people they didn't need to watch your how to take stitches out 5 easy steps video. Yeah. Oh, AWS, did AWS have an outage today? This says nothing for me. I don't know. This is my account's events. General service. Is this what I want? None of those matter. API gateway. That would affect pre-commit.ci, but we didn't really see any issue with that. Anyway. Stonks down? Yeah, stonks are down too. Hey, what's up, Dadeemed? Hello. Only in EU. I don't think I use that. I don't. Oh, EU S1. Yeah, I thought that. I don't think that affects me. Probably not. I don't know. We can check the logs maybe later. Let's see, did I do any open source? I don't think I did any open source since last time. Nope. I have been slacking a little bit on open source. I'm not gonna lie. I've been really busy with all the like house stuff. Yeah, I've been extremely busy. I'm exhausted. Ex Nilo, did I go to PyCon? Man, I wish I went to PyCon. But I was all scheduled to go. I had flights and hotels and all that other stuff and tickets. But then my grandmother passed away, so that kind of threw a wrench into that plan. God, and there was 2 weeks of my time gone too. I just it's a problem because I'm in like one of those sneaky spirals where you're like, oh, I should be getting more stuff done, and then like, oh, I didn't get stuff done for 2 weeks, and then just feels worse and spirals. Ugh. But hopefully things will all resolve nicely and everything will be fine, and then something. I'm exhausted. Yeah, busy baking more banana bread. I haven't made any banana bread in a while too. I haven't. Here's how much of like a fucking sort of, I don't want to say degen spiral, but kind of that I've been in recently. I haven't gone to the grocery store in I think a full month, which is, yeah, I should just go to the grocery store. I love grocery store. I should just go to the grocery store. But like I just haven't had time. What have you been eating? I mean, I've had stuff in my freezer and like I have like endless I have like an endless supply of cereal and like canned goods and like easy, quick, lazy meals. But yeah. My real estate agent told me he tells me the story of my house buying process is the worst case scenario. Oh no. You were planning to go to PyCon? Oh man. Yeah, it would have been nice to meet you all. I it's funny because some of my coworkers were like, "Oh yeah, people came up to the Sentry booth and were like, is Anthony here? I really wanted to meet him," and they had to be like, "No, sorry." But yeah. Do we need another 12-hour stream to make the banana bread? I need to buy bananas if I'm gonna make banana bread. A full month? Yeah. Millionaire eating like a college student. It's kind of true. I mean, I've also been ordering food because that's easy and lazy too. But yeah, I haven't. I haven't been. I guess that's not entirely true, right? I do have a. 2 meals a week that get delivered that I bake or that I cook. Well, I guess that's not quite entirely true. I guess I have been cooking some stuff, but I don't even show you guys that, do I? Let's see if I can find some of those photos. Because they turn out really good, but I just like don't post them. I probably should. Let's see. In the like one was a meal I made. This was a meal I made. Oh god, this one was so good. It's just like super simple too. This is just like I don't even remember what it was. I want to say it was mushrooms and sweet potatoes. And something over rice. What do we got here? Beldothis, you did say you were about to reset again. Thank you for the reset. Appreciate that. Also, I missed PB&J Dev. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, this one I picked a recipe online. This is Mapa Tofu, which I just made this from the store. Here's another quesadillas. This one was so good. That one was so good. Oh, this one was really good too. And here is one last one. I think I have more, but I don't know where the photos went. But anyway, some of the meal kits that I put together that are just super easy. But Lil Bonehair, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Elephant Rod, how's it going? Hopefully you get out of your degen spiral too. I mean, I'm doing so many adult things. I just don't have time for everything. Ran the meal kit service for a while. Eventually, I was just throwing out the old kits. Food is good. I'm just a degen. I've made every single kit that's appeared. So I have not thrown anything out yet, which I feel good about. They are expensive, yeah. I kind of want to just. I mean, I've basically been writing down the recipes, and it's way cheaper to just buy the ingredients. Even though their claim is like, oh, it's like 35% cheaper than going to the grocery store. I feel like that's only true if you throw out half the shit that you buy. Which, like, yeah. Do you have an internal delivery mail service, or are you using one of the more national ones? Yeah, it's one of the more national ones. I'm not gonna advertise them because they're not sponsoring me, but it's also one of the ones that sponsors Twitch streamers. So, but yeah, food porn, yeah, tofu. Yeah, not the corgi. Plus one, anything posting more food because I need inspiration, or I'll keep eating the same meals over and over and over and over and over. Yeah. Yeah. The bunny food looks nice. Where's the human food? What? On Nelly says, Anthony, it's midnight. I will have to eat what was my breakfast. What? We bought this home. The closing attorney wired us proceeds twice for some reason, and we only caught it when my banker called and said something. If her trust account would have been audited, she could have lost her license. Holy shit. That's fucking intense. Oh, okay. Right. So the plan for today is to make sure that I'm on 3.11 beta 1. Okay, cool. Feature freeze. And I'm going to all repos it up. And I'm basically going to be looking for any repo that has, let's see, from import AST tokenized or tokenize RT. I think those are all the things that would be sensitive to yeah, sorry, it's gonna ruin impression. Bad. Pixelubi. Sleepsy's time. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by Bell Office. Always good to see you. Auto Updog Day? Yeah. Okay. Repos? Wait, what? Why does that use one? It seems about right. So we're gonna basically be trying all of these repos. I guess we might as well just try every repo, right? What could go wrong? Let's start with these though. We can grab out we can grab out Anthony Writes Code entirely. We can get rid of all repos. Depends. And also get rid of anything that doesn't have tests. We'll do that next. Get rid of T. We can get rid of WAT. We can get rid of PyTest because that is tested elsewhere. I don't know why libs has Python is there. Let's see what's in there. Libs Python shut up by literal eval? No. It is pulling version out of sas.py. This totally feels like me code. I definitely wrote this, right? BMW setup.py. Wow, no, this isn't my code. I mean, I modified it, but wow. I'm surprised. Feels very much like something I would do. Oh yeah, DDoS meant like some sort of local food delivery. Sometimes some meal products will do that locally. Music's so quiet now. There we go. Anyway, DoorDash, right? Oh, you're also in Georgia, Xnilo. Cool. I'm not waiting for 3 hours for food because the driver's stuck in traffic. God, DoorDash is so shit. I feel like all food delivery is just kind of shit. I don't know why it's so bad. It's just all bad. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so bad. Flot's true. Hello. Docker Hub was down earlier. Huh. Weird. Okay, but we don't need to look at that. That one's not important. We'll grab out that one. Grab that one out as well. Good old libass. Okay. Dash the slash f. Oh wait, we wanna filter for ones for exarch replace bash dash c ls this slash test def null. Go to this. That'll get us just the ones that have tests, which filtered out who? Are on any of them? Oh, they all have tests. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, well, we don't need to do that then. I guess I'm gonna clone all those to this here, and then we'll run talks on all of them. Yeah. Xargs replace. Oh, we want to cut. Cut -d slash f2 dash. Xargs replace. Git clone. Ah. Do temp y. This? Sure, that seems right. Okay. Oh god. Nope. Fucked it up. I wanted F something else. F1. Oh, this is what I want. Oh, maybe I had the right thing. I had the right thing, I just had the wrong command. Oop. Yeah, there we go. Now it should fill up this directory with a bunch of clones, which should be good. I only get DoorDash for my kids. I quit eating it all and lost 12 pounds. Nice! Whoa! Call me prick size lib ass. No thanks, I'm more of a lib tits guy. Hey, what's up, Fixer Jake? Level up. I don't think there's a lib tits. Yeah. Okay, and then I guess none of these are too chonk, so we should be able to just find dash type d max step 1. Right. Type d. You have to do min depth 1 also. Sorts. See this and talks dash e pi 311. T talks.log. We'll put everything into a log file as well. Okay, that should run everything. This isn't going to test 311 specific syntax. There are 3 new syntaxes, I think. There is what the fuck is going on with the volume today? Stop it. Be normal. Don't be so loud. There we go. Oh, that's not good. Oh, we got 1 failure already that we'll be looking into. Oh, we got another failure. Oh boy. Okay, there are 3 new syntaxes that I know of. There's the except star syntax, which I don't know because I have yet to review this pep that I really should. Where's the fucking syntax? Did they not add new syntax? I thought there was except star. Oh, here we go. So if it raises a try that has an exception group with 3 errors, the except star clauses are evaluated in order by calling split on the unhandled exception group. The first except star clause, unhandled.split spam error, matches none of these. Okay. Returns none unhandled, so the body of this block is not executed, and unhandled is unchanged. For the second block, unhandled.split foo error returns a non-trivial split match rest with 2 foo errors. The body of this except star block is executed with the value of E and sys.acceptInfo set to match. Then unhandled is set to rest. Finally, the third block matches the remaining exception, so it is executed with E. Oh boy. Okay. I think I understand how this works. So you have an exception group, it has multiple exceptions. It tries to run all of them that are possible. What happens if there's uncaught ones? Do they just raise up? Not all exceptions in an exception group are matched by except star clauses. The remaining part of the group is propagated on. Oh. It's not part of exception group or base exception group. We call it a naked exception. Holy shit. If its type matches one of the except star clauses, it is caught and wrapped by an exception group with an empty message string. This is to make the type of E consistent and statically known. Okay, so except star can catch naked exceptions. But if it is not caught, it propagates, it doesn't get converted into an exception group. Raising exceptions in an except star. Brain. Abidale, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What is pipe ampersands? It pipes standard out and standard error to whatever you're sending it to. Yeah. Standard out and standard error at the same time. Libtits only uses naked exceptions. Oh no. This kind of weird syntax is how you turn a nice language into C++. Yeah, I agree. I really don't think that they needed all of this shit. But, well, it makes async IO more convenient. Whatever. What kind of fresh hella Emacs is this bullshit? Re-raising. Dude, what the fuck? You can have... This stack trace makes no sense. Oh, and this is normal. This is existing behavior. Yeah, this is my favorite bullshit that comes out of the new stack traces. You get this shit. This is just normal now. This will just happen. You'll see these weird tree things for multi-raises, which is just nuts. You can have chains. Insanity. This stuff's... How to teach this? Good fucking luck! How to teach this little one sentencer? The point of this section is like, how do we make people understand this? This one sentence really phones it in here. God damn. But you know, it'll get pushed through. Okay, anyway. Can you have a blank except star? No, you can't have a blank except star. So they at least fixed that problem. It's interesting that they don't let you do that, but I kind of understand why. Okay, but this is one of the new syntaxes. Which off the top of my head, I don't need to handle this for bytecode style, which is good. Another one of the new syntaxes is type var tuples. And splats. So there's two places where splats can appear now that they weren't really valid before. And that's here. And here. This is another new syntax that we have to make sure works. Did they do double splat though? Because I could have sworn there was a proposal for typed dict. But I don't know. I don't know if that became a thing or not. I guess we can just try and see if it's a syntax error. Hey, what's up, DV Music? Hello, hello. Can they not afford editors? They're programmers, of course they can't. I think this should be star star. Oh. But I think this is going to be a syntax error. Yeah. And this is probably valid syntax, but I don't think MyPy supports it. No, even that's invalid syntax. What? Wait, what? Why would they put that limitation at that level of the grammar? So you can star a star arg, but I bet you can't star a normal arg? Is that what I'm saying here? What? That's so stupidly specific. That's so weird. Okay, anyway, that is not what I expected, but it's good to know, I guess. So no new syntax for this. I guess it was a proposal that didn't finish. Mutilation OW. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Hind is so cute. Yeah, isn't Hind great? I mean, so is 07. That's pretty good too. Corey AST. I don't know. Bro, your keyboard looks like a mecha controller. I don't know what a mecha controller is. Mecha controller. None of these things seem relevant. But sure, cool. Awesome. Welcome to the stream. If you want to learn more about my keyboard, I did a review here, so you can check that out. Scorvinate! Hello, hello, welcome back. Okay, and there is one more syntax change, if I remember correctly. There's some like star args shit in for loops. Syntax. Still escapes. Hmm. Hmm. There's no way anyone's doing that though. Regex stuff. What? We definitely found this before. Seven Hail, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Schmiley, welcome back. Good to see you again. Uh-huh. Where the fuck? I swore we saw this. I think it's I think it's this. I think this is not okay in previous versions. Erol and Ricky Wonga, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Why would you want to deprecate 00123 No, so this is what they deprecated, which makes complete sense. You can have an octal sequence which is 777 like this, which is nonsense. Oh, it's only in byte strings. And right now what it does is it just truncates, I think. Yeah, it just truncates, which is dumb. So the changelog entry is very misleading. It's only in byte strings, and it's only hex escapes in or octal escapes in byte strings. Yeah, because it just chops off the top nibble. Because the byte can only be one byte wide. Can't have a byte and a half. So that's what that deprecation is for. It's extremely poorly worded here. Yeah, this should say in byte strings. It's very it's very poorly written. Yeah, this is literally byte string. So if yeah, in string literals. I don't know that they should be deprecated in string literals because they're just fine in string literals. Well, they have different meaning in string literals. Like this works fine. This song is muted. Oh, the next one. This works fine in strings. Is that one deprecated too? Feels like that one shouldn't have been deprecated. Huh. I guess so. I mean, it's actually broken in bytes, but it's only partly broken in strings. So I don't know why they did that. But yeah, they should definitely. This needs clarifying. If you want an easy patch to Python, I can show you where that file is, and then you can make an easy patch to that. Let's see, doc. What's new? 3.11. Oh. Okay. It already never mind, it already happened. Who fixed it? Oh fucking Pablo 12 hours ago. GG. Oops. Click on that. I wanted to click on the pull request. This one. And this is the 3. Why hasn't it shown up yet? Oh, it didn't get merged yet. Okay. All right. Never mind. No easy PR for you. Eighth Wall says interviewing for my first 100K role later today. I'm pretty keen. Cool. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. I'm so glad you're doing this because sometimes I would get so lost. Oh, yeah. Yeah. TV Music says Anthony is a good explainer, including the whys. Yeah. Well, at least for this one. I don't know why they did this one. Maybe it was just easier to deprecate them both at the same time. I mean, this is a little bit of nonsense. No one would write this. And there's no way to make a hex escape with a value that high. So they don't have to deprecate the hex version of it. And like the normal way you write that character is what? U01FF? Yeah. Would get you the same as the broken 777, which I guess we showed up here. So that's how you would actually get that character. The fact that Octal Escapes let you do that is a little fucked. Hey, what's up, Ethan? Hello, hello. Oh, I missed Board Rocco. Board Rocco? Board Rocco. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Your home is here. How you doing, your home? Good to see you again. My third tech role, my first role was at a 50-person company. Second is at a tiny startup, and I'm interviewing for a place that has 200 employees. Nice. Not a fan of this startup culture, disorganization? Yeah. It's for some, it's not for others. Okay, right, so I wanted to double check that this is not syntax in Python 3.10. Well, first we'll show that it works in 3.11. Python 3.10. Works fine there. Oh, maybe it was just that this got documented. Yeah, I think that's what it was. And it wasn't valid in 3.8. Yeah. Okay, so that's not even new syntax. They just documented it, I think. So we don't have to worry about that. I guess these are the only two syntax changes. Oh boy. LXML. I'm pretty sure I have that installed. libaccesslt. Oh, I don't. Really? libaccesslt 1.1-dev. Add password. Is it just 1-dev? Yeah. Manhart, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. How are you doing on this Monday? Der Blau Montag. Oh, why is that still in my head so many years later? I almost tried to type grep into Twitch chat. Where did the logs go? Oh, talks.log. Okay. So we have 8 successes and 8 failures. Oh, that's not great. Dead is failing? What? Okay, but we need to check the syntax as well. That seems weird. Alright, refactor imports. Let's see what we've got here. Talks-epy 311 test pdb. Into our breakpoint. Just working still. Nice, nice. Do you have a methodology for when you use pass versus ellipses? Ellipses I really only use in like examples where I'm not actual shipping code. I do talk about this in a video. I think I talk about it in 2 videos. There's the typing one. Maybe I only have 1 video. I'm pretty sure, wait. Yeah, I talked about pass. Maybe I talked about it in that video. But the interesting thing is you can use whatever the fuck you want. You know, you can do f pass, right? You can also do f, 9001. That also works. It also does nothing. And so f ellipsis is really just a similar nothing. It's an expression statement that does nothing. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. But I go over that in one of those videos, I'm pretty sure. Oh, we have warnings. Warnings 0. It's gonna be lol disk details, right? Oh, SRE constants is deprecated. Why did that get imported? What? Why did SRE constants get imported? Devin VM, there we go. Seems problem. We'll do wants. Oh, except they're captured, right. We'll just do W error. I think that'll cause an error, right? No, when you do cap warn, it... What? 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 The fuck? Oh, for fuck's sake. Then why did it get suppressed when I turned it into an error? It's in the vendored copy of PyParsing in package resources. Oh, binge. Not PyParsing again. Someone put a locks interpreter in here? Why did it go on that? Wild? No. Okay, did this get released? Back in March, maybe. Please, 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 please. Okay. So, this means setup tools needs to bump. Oh, and it already did. I'm just on old setup tools? Maybe? Question mark? Look. Okay, that one's out of the way. Done. Easy. Oh, PTMCG. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hi. How are you doing? Oh shit. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I got a celebrity in chat. I'm setting up some VMs on a server I manage, and holy shit, configuring bridges for libvirt KVM is annoying. Yeah. 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 Polymathic Man, thank you for the sub at 21 months. Holy shit. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, cool. So I just had old setup tools, easy fix. All right, we do want to check one thing. I don't think this actually parses. I don't think this actually does any parsing besides imports. Yeah, so we don't care about syntax here. Okay, cool. So we can get rid of you. Done. Sick. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at the ones that are congrats, just to check if there's any warnings. All right, add trailing comma looks good. Oh, we will need to check syntax for that. Flagate 2020. We care about syntax there. No warnings here or here or here. X failed. Yeah, I think that's intentional. Token is RT, all good. Yes, QA. Okay. All right, let's look at the next failure. Grep dash capital L. AST pretty. Oh, I think I know what's wrong here. Typed AST is probably gonna break because the way typed AST is set up always breaks. Yeah, code.h is missing. Hey, what's up, Coney guys? Hello, hello. Though I'm pretty sure typed AST is not needed in Python 3.8. Hmm. Oh, how is MyPy handling this? Oh, I see. Future annotations. 308 also includes your regex init speedup. I saw. I made a video on it too. Yeah. I made a video on it, and I bumped the vendored version in pip. So I think the version of pip that just came out also has that. Well, yeah, things a little bit faster. Shazawak, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. I was baited on my new job, Feelspan. They recruited saying they use React, and it's just Angular 1. Oh, oh, oh no. Man, that's a real bait and switch. Javato GC, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, you got scammed hard. Polymathic Man says, just wait until I start sending you PRs for all repos. The GitLab puller. I think isn't there already a GitLab one? Or am I thinking a bit okay? Repos, source. There's GitLab org. But yeah, I guess a generic GitLab one is not implemented yet. Alright, yeah, send away. Have fun. Good luck. The React is you walking out the door. Yeah, Angular 1 is a mess. So slow too. How was the house? It was good. I'm gonna be putting in an offer on the house I looked at on Sunday. Oh, okay, my landlord just remind my realtor just texted me. Shit. I'm gonna tell her I will call her, or she can call me tomorrow morning. Or in 2 hours. But yeah, it was good. My realtor is drafting up litter. Okay, so I seem to remember that this shit is not necessary anymore because of Python 3.8, but I don't remember why. I just remember 3.8 changed the AST with like a backwards compatible Python 2 mode or something. Check if we can use the standardlib AST module instead of typed AST. Type comments equals true. Feature version equals feature version. Sure. Okay, so that makes me think, well, where's the Python 2 stuff? Did that get gone? Git grab, get log dash capital G AST27. If it's gone from MyPy, then like, then oh god, how are you? I don't even know if I got no. Oh no, it's still listed there. Oh, fast parse 2. MyPy Python 2. I think we're just gonna drop support for all of this. That's probably the easiest thing to do. And it doesn't string Angular and React is 10, so close, right? Yeah. I think we're just gonna make a breaking change here and type comments equals parse func is AST parse and sys.versioninfo is greater than 3.8. If type comments else. So type comments is what? Oh, so this is always true in 3.8. We always parse with type comments. And there's a... Why did I do all this? I think I'm just gonna do this. And this. And this. And just be a lot simpler. Get rid of this. This. Okay. Union not used. Type checking. Sys not used. AST type. Line too long. No. Oh, this is just ast.parse. This is so you get a better error message. Then we just do this. Then we see what test break. And we're also going to do Python requires 3.8. The old stuff will still work, but I'll get rid of the typed extra. And I never used it, so hopefully no one else did. Oh, right, and this is gonna have this one. Yeah. Care. Oh, I need to change you. I think I have a newer version of this. I'm all over the place. What's going on? Okay, 241. Seems fine. Let's just do 3.8 first. See what happens there. Because I kind of doubt that typed ast is gonna get built for 3.11. Care about that. Yeah, I guess the all just go away. As does this. Expected 3.8. Oh, nice. We can just do expected. These tests are so annoying to maintain. Okay. Just get rid of you. You can just be expected. Cool. Same here. All right, let's see what happens. Create's happy. Let's see about 3.9. Try 3.11. Alchemist says, which Linux distro? Did my smarts really not catch that? Oh, I think we have which distro, but not which Linux distro. Oh, because we don't have a word for which. Which is that Linux distro? Which does that Linux distro? Sure, why not? Wait, that wasn't supposed to happen. Why didn't that work? Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Did I just like completely break this? Yeah, that one works. Why doesn't the Linux distro one work? Oh, because the GNU handler catches it before this one. Yeah, so we can't actually do anything that contains the word Linux in it. Huh. Whatever, I'm not gonna fix it. It's a stupid bot. I think the description needs to be updated. No, this is still 2004. I haven't updated yet. Shadowless Zero, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. None is my favorite OS. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. You should catch every question from the chat and implement it. Some of them. Some of them, yeah. uh. Alright, just trying to figure out when I'm talking to my realtor. No AI today? Yeah, we didn't add any more. 79 Tycho, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Just some of the easy ones like, which does that Bappy? I don't think that one's actually supported, but it's something close to that. Yeah, some of them are nonsense. But I think it's okay to not... Oh wait, it should have matched that. What? Oh, you need what does that? What does that, Babby? Yeah. Anyway, let's do 11. Whomstedov Babby distro. Yeah, exactly. Whomstedov. What does is Babo? What? Type AST. Okay, what did we actually do here? Yeah, this all seems fine. Drop typed AST and require Python 3.8. Oops, a little typo. Okay, make that pull request. Those. We're done with ASD pretty. Then actually, I think I had this on my list of things to do actually. Wiki OS to do. Oh, yeah, we're doing both of these things today, so we'll check this one off when it's done. Alright, yeah, we have to do pie flakes and pie code style. Remind me to do both of those. I don't have those in this list for some reason. Oh, probably because they don't have tests in the right spot. Okay, cheetah lint. I think this was just LXML problems. This should just work. I need a donut stat. I haven't had a donut in a while. Donuts are pretty good though. Huh. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. But yeah, this one and this one, they're probably the same failure. This one I'm surprised about because I thought we had put stuff in place to prevent. This is probably the deprecation warning. Actually, it's a failure. Maybe I have it in warnings mode. Damn, this is taking forever. Oh, because it's building LXML. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Pre-commit hooks though surprises me. It might be because I don't have get all it fast installed or something. PyTest internals, they're making me melt to my mind. They're making my melt to mind. What? Coverage? What? 24 to 20. Is this some weird optimization bullshit? $24. Line 20. So that seems to think that this is always true. So if I do else raise ass, it should not reach. Actually, it looks like all of the branches in that file are fucked. On line 66 is uncovered. This line is uncovered. Wait, what? Raise ass. Wait, why didn't the button work? Oh, that's weird. Rise. I'll get my flip flops though. Boop. Okay, that makes no sense. I think it's a bug in coverage. Line 66. So if we raise ass here, the test should fail. Free desk raise? No, I used points were spent. Modulo87, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The line is definitely hit. So coverage be a little drunk there. I'm surprised that only one of the tests explodes though. Is there only one test for this? Oh no, it's just all in one. Hey, Gabrielle, thank you for the resub at 20 months. Another one. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Stunfish is 600 points away from being able to toggle the test. Nice. Yeah, this should be a bunch of tests, not just one test. But I think this is a bug in coverage. Or coverage is, at least coverage is confused about the notification. Oh. Rubicop? Perhaps? Yes. We're getting auto update days. I guess something did bump after all. New thing. I know. Who knows? Oh, let's see if Ned's got a thing for this. Jambe? Jabe, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's not like I can refund the request as a mod. Sarcastic Dante, you should do that. Hey, what's up, Preox? Hello, hello. Is this icon fake again? It is. Okay. Hey, bear. Well, presumably someone else has the same. Yeah. Re-report it. I'll just Ned find the problem. Okay, so it's not actually functionally broke. It's just a coverage problem. Okay, so we can ignore that one. Does this ever finish? Oh boy. This is gonna be Scython garbage. So fucking annoying. I feel like Scython breaks every single Python release. I cannot remember a Python release where Scython didn't break. It's like it broke in 3.8, 3.9. Maybe it didn't break in 3.10. No, it broke in 3.6. I'm not sure about 3.7. Hey, what's up, Haplo Eco? Hello, hello. And it's broken in 3.11. Okay, so that means we can't look at this one or this one. But there's no way that's broke. Instead of Pi upgrade, I'm surprised about. Dogs Pi 3.11. What are we mad about here? Coverage again. 208 to 210. So this line never goes to this line. Huh. That's markedly false because these lines are covered, so guess we can just ignore that one as well. Pi upgrade and dead. I bet it's just more coverage. Probably, right? Let's see. Mateus Costa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We got a warning. Visit stir is deprecated. Yeah. Klaus the Great, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I seem to remember that there's not much I can do about this until I drop a particular version. I gotta do like visit constant and is instance stir instead of visit stir, which is really annoying. 270 to 271 is probably probably just nonsense. Okay, so we can ignore that one too. I will have to fix this. Actually, I wonder what version I can fix that in. Visit stir deprecation. 3.9. 3.9? Maybe it's in 3.8. Oh, it's 3.8. Yeah. I recognize this person. Oh, I made the issue. Okay, so I could drop 3.7 and just implement visit constant, it looks like. This is such a dumb change. I don't know why they did this. This made the AST worse in like a whole bunch of ways just to make like 3 lines of C simpler. It just made it a big pain in the ass for everyone else. I guess we can fix that. Did I delete it? I did. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, we can drop 3.7 just to fix that warning. Yeah, I don't care about 3.7. Oh wait, why didn't AST pretty rewrite the setup CFG form? Or did it and I just didn't notice? Oh, because I forgot to update it? Oh, you know what I probably did? I probably ran the commit hooks before updating this file. If I bump this to 3.8 and then branch. Why did it do that? Oh, I guess it really should treat this stronger, but there's probably a reason why it doesn't do that. Why did that happen? And now it should leave it, right? It probably uses both of them as inputs and just picks the smaller one, rather than picking one of them more definitively, which I guess is fine. Okay, so 3.8. And visit stir needs to become visit constant. If is instance node.value stir. This. Right? Prime05, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Does anyone know how long in general companies will wait for you to decide to accept an offer, or is something like that is scenario based? Usually they will give you a deadline. They will usually be like, you must decide by 2 weeks from now, or something like that. Some will be really aggressive and be like, hey, you gotta let us know by Friday. Which I think is shitty, but each their own, I guess. You know, they gotta navigate a competitive labor market. So work. Okay, now we have 2 coverage issues. I wonder if the coverage is different every time. Actually, one of those might be the visit constant. Which means I need to something else in my test for that so that it hits the line for no reason. Oh, okay. Entry points. Okay, what is a what is a keyword to setup tools setup that is not a string, not a Wiktionary, not a list? None of the arguments I use. There's like include package data. I don't know if that shows up. One's dumb. I want to pick a dumb option. Setup tools, setup. This is disutils. I don't want disutils. Setup tool. Why would it link me to disutils when I click I type setup tool? Ugly logo. Where are all of the options? I just want all of the options. Give them to me. Ew, this is not right. Why are they recommending that? Zip safe is another one, but that one's also a dumb option. Keywords, here we go. Name, version, description, long description content, author, maintainer, URL, packages, modules, scripts, classifiers, dist class. No, that's not going to be a constant. Script names, script args. What the fuck? That is. Malicious license file, keyword, the platform, main class, data file, extra requires, obsolete, provides. This is a boolean. This is a boolean. Those might be the only things that I can use. Eager resources. Okay, I guess I gotta use one of the dumb options. I didn't want to, but I could probably also just do x equals 1. That'd probably also work. Yeah, zip save, but zip save is also a dumb option that like no one should use. Not 1. X is never read, defined in setup.py. Oh right, this is a dead code detection. I played myself. Why don't I even support this? I should just get rid of setup.py. I think I might just do print 1. That'll also include package data can be useful rarely. I've never used it. Usually, in my opinion, if you're using it, you probably should be using package data instead and explicitly enumerating your data files. Partially because include package data just like either doesn't work or you need to use manifest.in, and in my opinion you should never use manifest.in. I think I've used it like a handful of times, and only in cases where I couldn't get the package data. It was not actually package data. All repos, find files, manifest.in. Explains video. This pulls in C files. This CFFI should pull these in magically, but they doesn't. Love to fix CFFI to pull the build script in. And this is Go stuff that I should I should fix, but and these aren't I don't care about. Okay, seems about right. Python 3.7 visit start. Annoying ass warning. But yeah, I don't know what to do about that coverage issue. Could maybe try and bisect that down to a little simple case and then show Ned. But seems fine. Right, are you late? You are good. Ooh, we're gonna use a new I don't think I've ever done this before. Actually, didn't we do this for Babby? Maybe we did this for Babby. Bump dash dash major. Oh. Whoa. We're wilding out here with major version bumps. Okay. That actually doesn't need to be a major. I will just bump minor for that one. Okay. We'll need to reclone that one. High upgrade, what are you mad about? Probably another coverage thing, I guess. Functionality. The functionality should be solid here. Yeah. Almost up to 1,000 tests. F strings. Yeah, that's the one with most branches. Okay. Yeah, this is almost certainly just the same coverage bug. Next autoupdate gonna be busy? I'm not bumping any of these. Well, I haven't bumped anything that is a pre-commit hook yet. Although, wait until we get to PyFlakes and PyCode style and probably, well, I'm hoping there's no changes needed for PyFlakes and PyCode style, because then I won't need to release Flake 8. But if there are, people are gonna grumble at me, and I'm gonna have to be like, yeah, fucking upgrade. 32 to exit. Sense. Yep, something about the new optimizations probably has coverage confused. Okay, that was fine. Have you ever streamed from macOS? I have not, but I know people that have. But no, I have not. All right. See what we got here. That. We fixed that. Good, 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 good. You say macOS again? Why would, what? What's up, nerds? How's it doing? How's it doing, Keller Marku? I already said hi to you earlier, though. Which setup will you be streaming from when you stream stuff for work? That's a good question. I don't know quite how I'm gonna do that. I think I might try and set up a separate virtual machine and get the development environment working on Linux. Which is probably gonna be a disaster because I'm pretty sure we only support developers on macOS, but I'd love to change that. If I can't get that working, I'll set up a capture card. Do it that way. But time to change Dicksword to Dicksword? No. Why would I do that? What? No? Okay. So what I want to look for is things that deal with annotation. Oh, actually, PyUpgrade might have problems with one thing. I need a... You can have a generic inline, because there's a type annotations upgrader thing, which is where which is where this starred expression would matter. But I don't believe there's a case where those could show up there. Oh, unless... Oh, that wouldn't work either. Because it'd have to be module scope assigned. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem there. Ritmatics, that's a nice t-shirt. Thank you, thank you. Do you have this t-shirt? It's one that a certain segment of the population does. It is a Yelp Hackathon t-shirt. Oh, PyUpgrade's totally gonna need changes. Not PyUpgrade, PyFlakes. But let's merge the dead PR. Except that it is red because I forgot to change this. And then no edit. Linus inspire you to stand while coding. Who the fuck is Linus? Yeah, who? No. Okay, so let's take a look at PyFlakes. Linus Torvalds? There's no way he stands. PyFlakes. Does he really? Linus sex tips? Torvalds stands while coding? No idea. What? No, I didn't want to do that. Not where those come from. We want PyCQA PyFlakes. I could spell. Okay. Syntax example. Let's start with PyFlakes first. The one with the version check. Well, let's just start by doing let's just start by running the tests. The test pass is a good start. And these tests hopefully pass. That'd be a good start for both of them. Deltoom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Insert Kermit T sip meme. Yeah. Standing's also walking, but with 0 speed. What? Holy shit, this is slow. User 1985, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I wonder what year you were born. Okay. Alright, so that's at least passing so far. That's a good sign. But now let's try some of our samples. Like, well, we can probably just run that whole file, right? Where are you? In temp. Python 3.11 -m pyflex temp p.py. What if we do this? I'm so fucking surprised. That was not what I expected. What does this look like under the AST microscope? Is this just part of visit exception? Oh, no show offset. Okay, try star. Oh. That's a new node. Interesting that it doesn't know it's a try star until it gets to here, though. Huh. A real Q. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Greetings, says user. How's it going? My star sounds like a dinosaur? Yeah. Why would they not do an accept star handler? Yeah, right? That was my thought. Right? Belencore says, hello, good night. A question, have you ever used CUDA for any project using Python? Not my own project, but yes, and I was sad because it is a pain in the ass. What pep is this from? 654 exception groups. It's basically so that you can raise multiple exceptions at once in async IO, and then filter them out one at a time. Is the TLDR. Personally, I don't think they really needed to make a whole separate temp for this, or a whole separate syntax for it. But get ready to see tracebacks that look like this fucking nonsense. This is actually what gets printed now. It gets worse. Where's the one that has re-raises in it? This. What? Good fucking luck understanding whatever the hell this shit is. Yeah. Right, Sigma Monkey? Okay, so there is one thing about PyFlakes that's going to be mad, but only in the test suite, which is if we test match. Why do we have a separate thing? Match. Test other. Dash out. That's type annotation. Other. This feels like the file that it might belong in. I don't know, this file's 2,000 lines long for who knows what reason. Oh, here we go. This looks like the right class. This is gonna be like, no? Test async statements. It's async, 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 async. And then somewhere in here, it's like, no, never mind. We're gonna test matrix multiplication and f strings. And this other thing. This is why test classes are dumb. That's pretty funny. Is this class? We'll get to the top of it at some point. Best unused assignment. That's. I was kind of hoping there was a file that was just like test syntax and just like splat syntax from other languages or other versions. Test return with arguments inside generator. What? Why is this so oddly specific? Return with args inside generator. Oh, this was invalid syntax before Python 3.3? Weird. Hey, what's up, Johnny man? Hello, hello. What's the exception? Yes. Can you make star except handlers a non-star? You can't. But you can nest them, which does essentially the same thing. They go over all the rules. Yeah, it's fairly complicated. Oh, I probably need to make my own video about the whole thing. Actually, a friend of mine was like, hey, can you make a video on exception groups? And I was like, yeah, if I ever get around to learning them myself. I think it's one of those obscure features that I'm literally never going to use. I can't think of a reason I would ever use it. Look, I think it solves a problem that no one has. We're like 0.001%. The whole PEP should have been in rejected ideas, Ethan. This is technically a type annotations thing, so I guess we can put that into here at least. Test what? Variadic generics. And we can do this. 11. From typing, import type var tuple. And the generic. No. Generic. We want type var tuple ts. Disco. Nope. Theme disco. You guys remember what that is? Pretty good one. Have a Babby window open. Alright, you ready for the theme disco? Theme disco, let's go. Are there going to be any changes to handle exception groups in pytest.raises? I mean, there would have to be. I don't even know how that would work. Yeah, I don't know how. I mean, you could use raises with exception group, which is probably the more reasonable thing to do. Yeah, I think that's the only reasonable way. Isn't that PEP literally for stopping async groups? Perhaps? I don't know. I'm planning on writing a programming language called RTFM where it quizzes you on any constructs you use before it will compile. Are you sure you want to use this? Anyway, there's theme disco. Theme.json, and then pkill-user1 back to normal. Okay, cool. So that new test passed. The other test we want to add is for accept star. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this gets used in here. Do you want undefined names or really not undefined names? It's really name defined but not used. Unused variable, this is what we want, yeah. Really looking for, this is all about exception scoping, which is not super what we're looking for. We're not really looking for undefined names, we're looking for unused variables. Yeah, this file seems more in the undefined namespace and not in the unused variables. Exception used in accept. Yeah. Unused in accept. Yeah, here's what we want. Last exception unused in accept star. We need to do skip if version info is less than 3.11. New in Python 3.11. We're gonna make our casing the same as the other ones. Alright, we should have a test failure now. The test failure is just gonna be like, what the fuck is tristar? Fortunately, I thought ahead about this, and 3 years ago, added some code that handles this. So I won't actually need to re-release PyFlakes to, wait, it didn't crash. Oh, because it only happens in talk? Yeah, PyFlakes error unknown equals 1. PyFlakes error unknown equals 1. There we go. But yeah, we don't actually need to fix this because I've fixed it already. Huh. Wait. Wait, what? Try accept equals try. What the fuck is the actual name? Okay. I think this is the right thing to do. But wait, that means it has special behavior. That means there's actual, probably, maybe bugs. Oh no, that means we will need a release. Well, at least it doesn't crash. Handler names. Default except not last. Okay, well that one's not a problem. Memorize the accept handlers and process the body. Why does it do it out of order? For child in node.body. What is self.accept handlers? Oh, the hack to make name error work. Why would someone do that? That's such stupid code. Also, I missed Waginino. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How you doing, Crow? Hello, hello. Yeah, I think this is literally just for accept name error, which I don't know that you can accept star name error. And I don't see why you couldn't. But exception names. This one. For specifically for accept name error. Some compatibility code triggers explicitly for name error, not trigger warnings. This is some hacky bullshit. This is like for star imports and then a try accept. I feel like PyFlex should know. I feel like if this was proposed to PyFlex today, Ian would be like, no fucking way. Don't write code this way. But I guess the question is, does accept star allow it? Yeah, it does. Well, I don't think anyone's ever gonna need that. That's the only special behavior. And tests for Python 3.11 specific syntax. Tox passes. Push. Is 311 already hooked up? No, but 310 is. Oh, does GitHub Actions have Python 3.11? That's where it lives? It does. It does indeed. We could test it. Minor. Now I gotta remember the damn syntax. Actually, it might be in Flake 8 because I think I just never updated it because the old syntax still works for 310. Yeah. It looks so dumb. It looks so dumb. Okay, well, we'll do that. That was fast? Which thing was fast? The release or fixing PyFlakes? Let's see if I can find the PR where I actually did the thing. Shit. Make PyFlex more resistant to syntax additions. 490. When did I have the forethought for that? November of 2019. This should hopefully reduce the could you make a release comments. Personally, we don't really need to make a new release for this. Thanks to the work I did in 490. The only behavior this fixes this pattern, which I highly doubt anyone would use. Actually, I'm not even sure we should be perhaps should add or just the Eric recursions. Shit. That's what she said? Oh no. Would it be socially acceptable to go to bed at 8 p.m.? I went to bed at 8 p.m. yesterday. Not entirely intentionally. I like sat down to watch some YouTube and then woke up in the morning. Ah, fuck. I copied and pasted and I forgot to change it. uh... yeah. Do we see Granny? I mean, admittedly, I had planted 13 trees that day, and I was also fasting because I thought I was supposed to get blood work done um, at my doctor's appointment today. Um, but I ended up not getting blood work done. So I was just hungry on Sunday for no reason, which is the saddest thing. Just like didn't eat for a day, and like I could have had food, but I didn't know. Apparently, blood work is every other doctor's appointment visit. Apparently, I was just supposed to know that. Or my sleep schedule's fucked in the opposite direction. Oh, yeah, that's arguably worse. That is arguably worse. Why did it run twice? Animations must be misconfigured. Well, yep, it is. It is. It is misconfigured, and that's why it runs twice. Cool. But good. Guess I should fix GitHub Actions as well. No, I don't need to do this. I'm not at work. No double run. Did I name the other branch like that? No, I didn't. Do I have it right here? Yes. Master and main. What? Branch, what is the branch name here? Oh, it's still master here. Sure. Don't double run GitHub Actions for PRs from. Hey, what's up, Time Traveler? Love them. Getting from 7 a.m. to 3 to 4 a.m.? No. No. Oh no. Certainly a mess. Hopefully you get that worked out. Okay, PyCode style is next. Test suite. We've got a Python 3.10. Test suite Python 3.11. Is that how this works? I'm gonna paste this in here. Say okay. And another okay. I don't remember if this actually works just magically based on the names, but we'll find out. Please, 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 please. Please no. Please no sadness. Do a bunch of work. Please. Okay, 310 is still good. Please, 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 please. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh. Okay, well, one of them is easy. We got some extra blank lines here. Oh no. It sees these as two separate tokens. You've been programming Python for 10 years. Damn. I am about to reach 10 years as well. Actually, no. This month, 10 years. Oh. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it's mad about all of these things. These ones are just blank lines. That's not a big deal. I can just move these down. Okay, maybe this isn't as bad. I think just accept star is broken. Okay, just accept star is broken. That's not too bad. Not too bad. TV Music says I don't count my time programming Python 152? God damn. Wait, was there? I thought there was only 151. I mean, you would probably know better than me when you actually used it. Oh, there was a 152. Okay. Good call. Oh, gotta figure out a fix. Why doesn't pre-commit.ci support my Python 152? I'm gonna try and drop Python 2 soon. I don't know how I'm gonna do it though, without pissing everyone off. I guess I gotta see if I can find anything. Aloha Tux! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Easily offended millennial, welcome to the stream. Boy. Oh, okay. E275. E275. Uh, I guess we can just add a explicit exception here for accept star. I'm kind of annoyed that that's not one token. It kind of makes sense, but at the same time, like, is this valid syntax? Oh no. What the fuck does this do? Oh no. What? Did it just not crash because it didn't evaluate the accept? So space doesn't matter? Oh. 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 I do not like that. You can just put spaces in front of the star. Can you do this? Oh no. Oh no! Why? Oh no. Oh, we have the fucking pointer bullshit again. I prefer star type because it looks better. Really, it's pointer to star. No. Oh no. And yeah, of course you can put as many spaces. Yeah. That works fine. Oh. I wonder. How does the parser deal with this? Okay. Secondary question. How does it deal with this? Okay, it's just a normal try. Oh no. Why did they give people options? Now we're gonna have to lint for this garbage. X54 is the pep. Is this just the documentation? Huh. They mark it as a keyword except star. But the syntax still has spaces around the star. That feels like a mistake. Huh. Yeah, the grammar here just lets it be. But all their examples are work the same way. Okay, so that's the docs for it. Here's the actual implementation. Hmm. That's very weird. Do they ever show any examples with it? They don't. I think this is an oversight. Imagine I'm the only person that noticed this. Let's see. Yeah, none of those have weird white space. Or do any of these? Guess it's time for us to make an issue, isn't it? What is the issue? I mean, all the syntax for exception groups use this except star, but you can have white space around it, and the star can be anywhere. Yeah, like the star doesn't need to be next to the except. That's the problem. I bet you can even do this, which should just be a tragedy. Fuck me. It's upset nudes. Hello. See if there's any open issues about it. I don't know. How do we bug report? Bug report? Syntax parsing for except star appears a little too lenient. These are all allowed by the current grammar. I would argue that they should not be. Especially given the documentation refers to it as the except star. Good. My proposal is that the except star keyword is that except star is only valid without white space before the star and with white space after the star. 3.11.0 beta 1. Linux x86-64. Not that it matters. Oh, I'm ready for the shitstorm that's gonna come from this. It's fun. That's funny. Oh, I forgot I spelled this wrong. Probably. Did I typo this? Let me just make sure this is valid syntax before I... It is. Look at that. Hey, what's up, Anthony's Chick? Hello, them. Just strolled on the stream. Saw whatever that was and had the same reaction Anthony had? Yeah. Wilma Rosa says, hi, do you stream on Linux? Yes, but also no. Man, prompts taken back. Wow, rude. Mr. O to the P. Oh, you caught my typo. Nice, nice. Are you streaming from Linux or from Windows? Streaming from Windows. I have a question about streaming on Linux. I have done it before. The third and four are indented one more. Yeah, good call. There is a space missing on this one. Now they all line up. The funny thing is, PyCode style currently forces people to do this. So dumb. You can stream easily from Linux using OBS. I have used OBS on Linux. It's just then you have to deal with fucking Pulse Audio and V4 Linux and all that other shit that I just don't want to deal with. You can use a different audio config for the VOD that'll make Twitch after you close your stream. Yeah. Yeah, I already, yeah, I have that set up for local recording. I don't give a shit about my Twitch VODs. I actually kind of prefer my Twitch VODs get taken down because, well, I don't make any revenue off VODs right now because my YouTube channel is not monetized. But I would rather push people to YouTube to watch not streamed content, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't care about my Twitch VODs, but I do mute for my recordings, so it only is my voice. And that's not really new. That's been around for a while. The tricky part is getting your audio into separate channels, and that part's not easy. uh, you got the same pointer garbage again. Okay. Anyway, I'm sending it. Yeah, Lomorosa, this is precisely why I don't stream on Linux. I just cut out desktop audio entirely. That's how mine is set up. Thank you for the follow, Wilmer Rosa. Here, I can show you what mine looks like. It's gonna be a little bit different on hang on, I gotta make it so I don't capture OBS. Okay. So this is what mine looks like. This is my advanced audio properties. So channel 2 is my recording channel. Channel 1 is my streamed channel. So I mute Streamlabs notifications on all of them because these actually go through desktop audio. And desktop audio, I mute on my recording. I could also make like stream, channel 3 the stream channel or whatever, or the VODs channel. But I just mute desktop audio entirely, and that's where I play music from. And that works. That works best for me. But it may not work for you. I don't know. My VOD will be only my voice. Yeah. 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 That's what mine is. That's how mine works out. God, I hate reading this. This is so annoying to read. I want to add another case to this, but I think that's what I want. Ah, fuck. Means I gotta make another PyCode style release, which means I gotta make a Flick 8 release, which means people are gonna be grumbly. Missing white space after. Just fixed? Did we not fix that? What? What? Okay. Apparently. Oh, this should say 0. Fuck. Oh, that's annoying. And Python 3.11 supports star and A star B. Or Pirate, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Are you using Dvorak? No, I am not. CWM, good to see you again. Welcome back. Well, that sucks. Oh, I should have added negative actions as well. Yep. Oh wait, you can just do this? Okay. Does this work? We'll find out on today's episode. Oh. A 49-inch ultra-wide last week to try out instead of 3 monitors. I'm liking it a lot more than I thought I would. Oh, is it one of those curved screens, Koniggeist? Curved swords. Hi. Nice. I don't know. I feel like curved screens are maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Who knows? The shadow knows. Alright, did this crash and burn, or is it gonna be like, oh yeah, that's cool, this is fine? Oh. Green at 11 to 0, greater than alpha 0. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Cool. I guess I could have set that on the other one. What'd you do with the old monitors? Yeah. Johnny man asking the real questions. You didn't pull like a DDoS, but just like set up an entire battle station. I guess mine is kind of that way too. Could have like mounted them up like this. And I love how fast pre-commit.ci is. It's so good. Moving. Gonna mount one above the ultralight. Good call. Good call. Those lights look real hot though. They're not. They're blah 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 blah. They're CFLs, so they don't really get that hot. It'd be even cooler if they used LEDs, but I don't know. CFLs were what they chose to manufacture. This is gonna be a whole bunch of work for me, but that's neither here nor there. Dan Mulvey, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I love how fast pre-commit.ci is. I want to use it at work, but can't get the stubborn horses to buy into it. Oh, that's a bummer. Yeah, it'd be nice if there were more paying customers, but life. I'm 100% ready to be shut down by Guido being like, well, it already works and it's beta, blah, blah, blah. Happens. Anyway, the only other thing that I wanted to do today was take a look at auto update day and maybe try and figure out why there was that weird flatline. Possible it was a metrics issue and not actually, no, because it would have shut down after that. Auto update day should be done. A big spike here. Probably one user that has all their things configured the same. It's funny that it scaled up just in time for the spike to go away. Like, good call there. I gotta fix my prescaling. This is the prescale right here. Just not in the right spot. Okay, no run queue. I didn't get page, so there shouldn't be anything in dead letter. Oh. Auto update is still going? Question mark? Dude, there must be something fucked. There must be something fucked. GitHub must have changed rate limits or something. Why does this say 60? Is it not done? Did I just misread the graph? Dude, what the fuck? Oh yeah. None of these are erroring. Good timeout though. Oh, what is up with your repository? None of these seem surprising. Oh. Is that timeout now? Did GitHub change this to timing out? Are they like no longer listening on this port? Because I know they deprecated with an error. Oh, well that fucks. Oh man. Okay, well, we have something to fix, I guess. I'm gonna sit down and we're gonna fix this. Why would they change it to hang forever? That's so much worse than the previous behavior. Oh, god damn it. I hate that it... Was it 60 minutes that it timed out at? 6,000 milliseconds. What is this in minutes? Oh, it's only 60 seconds. That's not bad. I thought I was just spewing money, but no, it's just 60 seconds. That's annoying. What do I even do for that? We got two options. Replace get ://github.com with HTTPS automatically. One option. I could skip if it sees that. Another option. I think replacing it is probably the best option though. It's so stupid that it just fucking hangs. Oh, that's so dumb. Oh, it eventually times out. Oh man. If it was 60 minutes, I want your secret for Lambda that lives longer than 15. Didn't they change that so that it's longer than 15 now? Or maybe it was that they changed it so it was longer than a minute. And then it was changed to 15. I don't remember. Okay, well. Leave it to a Python guy to open up a Python REPL instead of a calculator app? Yeah, I do this a lot too. The only problem is these are Monday-based calendars, and I don't think in a Monday-based calendar. I don't think there's any options. Locale, used for month and weekday names. Yeah, it seems weird that it's a Monday-based calendar. But, well. CSS? Oh, HTML. You can have it spit out HTML. Talk about feature creep. I wonder what the HTML looks like actually, though. What a stupid feature. Just that epic. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this is clearly working as intended. Why the fuck? Why the fuck? Oh, what a dumb feature. How does it... Is it just a bunch of tables? Yep. Just a bunch of tables. Alright. Okay, I think we're gonna do that it replaces them. If that's easy. Redirects. Replace redirects. This is kind of what I want to do. Not quite. Holy shit. Okay, well. GitHub Git protocol. Try to test first. Hmm. Left test replace git GitHub git protocol. Thank you, Codegeist. A calendar only a mom could love. I did it again. Put this above here. Why is there a random fixture hanging out here? Oh, are just all my fixtures over the top? Yeah, I guess all my fixtures. Oh. That's fine. Okay. Let's put the tests over here. They're not as useful to see. Place git protocol source stir to stir lines equals source dot line true. Oh. Oh. The repo RE specifically matches HTTPS. Shit. What is GitHub RE? Oh. I see. I can do this. Oh, except we do want to capture that. This. Oh. Ah. I think I should. Yeah, I think I should capture this. Also can be quoted. It's not handle quotes. Does not. Probably doesn't matter. GitLab redirects to GitHub. Yeah. I migrated Flake8 from GitLab to GitHub a long while back. Yes, there is one redirect from GitLab to GitHub. This is such a funny hack. I guess I can be simpler here. We can just match. We can just match this and then replace. Need to capture you. Capture you. We can just replace this with \1 and HTTPS. A little bit of a hack. But we specifically want it for github.com because I don't go to platforms. Let's do that. Git protocol re.sub \1 hps github.com/source. It did not give it RE as a suffix. That seems reasonable. What are you mad about? You installing? I'm probably installing MyPy. Well, let's see what that does. Oh, failure. Failure, of course. Did not replace it. Oh, because we didn't call a function? Oh, we did call a function. We didn't call it down here. But that means this isn't matching. Oh, because it's not matching per line. Let's see. Git protocol.pattern. Yeah, per line. Is per line. Hey, what's up, Will M? Stuff says R back 1. What? No. The subline is fine. It's just not matching because it's supposed to do it per line. Are you streaming after work? I am today. That is indeed true. Do I want \A? I just sworn caret also worked. That is only at the start of the string. Well, that caret was supposed to be beginning of line. Am I tripping? Oh, that's also part of the string. Oh, we need to be in the multi-line mode. Need to be in multi-line mode. Break a point, go away. Yeah, it's only for multi-line, which I had forgotten about. Now does this do any fucky things to this? Because multi-line also means that backslash s, actually I think backslash s already matches new lines. It doesn't fix quoted things, but whatever. One micro bug here. What open source project are you working on? This is closed source. This is pre-commit.ci. GitHub did a thing today, or sometime in the last week, where he cloned something using the Git protocol. It used to error immediately with a message telling you to update your clone, but now it just hangs for TCP timeout, which is 120 seconds, which is just great. Hey, what's up, pop stars? Hello, hello. But yeah, we're making pre-commit.ci's auto updater smarter about Git protocol. Yeah. Why do I have responses cloned? No, that's not responses. Why do I have pre-commit hooks cloned? Don't. I don't know what that is. There we write git web.com to. Yep. Alright, has the bloodbath started? Are we finally at 0 again? I don't know why those didn't end up in dead letter. Maybe they're just bouncing around in retries? It's wild that there's only 60 of them. I joined a conference call for my congressman and asked why they're being stupid with the bills they're trying to pass. Oh no. Oh, I'm out of water. But we're almost at end of stream anyway, so probably just not gonna fill it up. Probably just finish. Sad emoji. Sorry, Stonkfish. It's like 9 o'clock. And Dean also goes to bed at end of stream. Well. I should upgrade to V3 because it has some nice caching. What will distract me? Well, there's infinite internet. Wait, what was that thing that it did? Oh, lambda build? Yeah. This thing is smart in that it uninstalls anything that's Boto 3 or Boto Core because that ships directly on lambda and saves some precious bytes. What do you mean it's 9? It's 3 a.m. Cute pup alert. That is indeed a puppy and a half. Puppy and a half. That's a lot of fur. Alright, we will deploy this as soon as it says it is deployed in staging, and then we'll go to prod. This is so dumb. Submit pull request to apply random formats to open source requests? Don't do that. No. Oh, speaking of random pull requests, I already talked about this on the Discord. But this random issue appeared. This random issue appeared from November of 2021 with no comments on it. And the reason is this person got shadow banned. And so their messages never showed up to our repo. But if you look at their activity, gotta go all the way back to 2021, back to when they were not banned. Open 78 issues in 77 repositories. As soon as I saw that, I'm like, oh god. What sort of spammy bullshit were they doing? That's not their spammy bullshit. Like, these aren't the spammy bullshits. Here. Increase the usage of compound assignment operators. That's what almost all of these are. Some source code analysis tools can help to find opportunities for improving software components. I propose to increase the usage of compound operators accordingly. Would you like to integrate anything from a transformation result which can be generated by a command like the following? Please check also for questionable change suggestions because of an evolving search pattern. Giant fucking Perl command. What? This is spam and it has been reported. Some programming languages support operators with a special property, augmented combined compound. Thus, corresponding change possibilities can occasionally be reconsidered, can't they? Thinky face. And let me see if I can find the 17 comments. That's not the spicy one that I was remembering. 23 comments. 31 comments. Some of these are just fucking crazy. Like these maintainers have way fucking more patience than I do. I would have just fucking insta-banned this guy. But holy shit. But these people all determine that it's a bot. I'm pretty sure it's not a bot. I'm pretty sure it's just somebody who has so little self-awareness. But it's so hard to know. It's so hard to know whether they're a bot or not. It seems you share understanding difficulties for possible software improvements. Further adjustments are evolving for various components. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I find such a reaction very questionable. Oh my god. The use of emojis is incredible. Yeah. I don't know what they were going for there, Mizugusto. I don't. What's your favorite sport? Do you have any allergies? Have you ever been kissed? Holy shit. But, yeah. Shit's wild. Alright, we're gonna deploy prod, please. I don't know what that's gonna do to the in-flight lambdas. Maybe it'll get them to finish? I don't know though. I wonder what types of adventures we might get into. Well, I don't think my bot's ever been kissed. Might not have a favorite food either. Something lots of bites though. Okay, so there's still 60 visible. I would have thought they would have ended up in dead letter by now. Because it's been like an hour. Unless it retries them all serially and then them back. Perhaps this is the appropriate way to respond to such negativity from fellow developers. Inflate should get the new code once they land. That makes sense, yeah. This is my bot's favorite sport. I don't know. Intriguing question. Okay, so we should get a new code version. Cherry Pie had old shit too. Well, none of these are fast yet though. These are all the slow ones still. Maybe maybe I didn't refresh this. Oh, no, I didn't refresh. There we go. Now they're finishing again. Let's see if this replaces properly. Oh, they didn't get a pull request. Why didn't they get a pull request? Oh, maybe theirs was... Oh. Yeah, why didn't they get a pull request? Hello? Oh, maybe they have one open already. Oh, they have one open already. Cool. Okay, they did get a pull request. It was just old. Cool. Yeah, the new code seems to work. Are those comments with the image like HK47? I don't know what that is. I say we blast this PR of unnecessary Perl scripts into development immediately. That was the craziest thing. It's like they were like, Pylint, you should incorporate Perl. It's just like no smiley face. That is the opposite of what is good. Okay, this should be draining now. It's good. Good config changed like a ghost. Yeah. Oh shit. If pre-commit.ci tries to clone these, it's gonna be mad too. Should maybe change the runner? I'm pretty sure there's timeouts on cloning. Yeah, there's gotta be timeouts on cloning, otherwise shit would have been fucked already. Runner worker clone. Clone. No. Ugh. One with a parenthesis. Yeah, here we go. 30 seconds. Okay, so yeah, it times out way before it does that. Set up 0 clone. Yeah, timeout 30. Ooh, we should actually give it slightly more wiggle room than that. Oh, especially because this is 90. Oh, plus wiggle, plus 30 seconds. Okay, no, this is fine. This is fine. Okay. That's counting down. We're gonna let that run. The other thing that we checked during auto update day is the total number of runs in the Dynamo. Should be up to, wow, almost up to 700K. I'll reach 1 million in a couple of weeks. Well, probably a month or two. Pretty cool. All right, but that's going to wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/anthonywritescode 3 times a week. Today's video is a much requested video about generics in Python, so check that out. Klondike, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what I'm going to do, and then we do it. We actually did both of these things today. Good job, me. I'll also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions, a bunch of smart people that can help you out, and a bunch of other fun social channels as well if you want to stop by there. I'm trying to get Discord partners, so I might be doing some Discord events in the future just to push my server over the requirement limits. So look out for those. There'll be like probably Q&A streams, or I don't know, we'll just sit around and chat. I don't fucking know. We're gonna do something because I need to bump up the engagement. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.